This is the main electricity for Heavenly Trebolo. You can see it's right over here. This is the main panel. Okay, this doesn't have a lot of items. This is the bigger electrical items. For example, your pool is right here. Your hot tub is right here. And then you've got your AC units. You got your sub panel, which is the other one in the house that's got a lot of the light switches and plugs. And of course, you got your pad down below and other things. So this is really much more the main panel. And if the pool has an issue, this is where you would deal with the pool, down here. You know, if the hot tub has an issue, that's where you deal with the hot tub. If the AC has an issue, that's where you deal with the AC. That's the main reason for this panel. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@CaliVRBO.com, or you can call us at 1-866-322-5487.